Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy villager breeder for Minecraft 1.16. Now let's begin. So the ingredients required or the items required are stone or any block that you want, an iron door, buttons, a hoe, and seeds of any type you want. It can be beetroot seeds, potato seeds, anything, and a ton of beds at the last. So first we're going to begin with the stone, and what you want to do is have a 9-block foundation. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you want to leave space in the middle for the door. You want to fill this up 4 blocks tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you go. And basically that will complete the front portion of this build. All right, so now that this is done, you just had this door over here. You can add stone below if you want. All right, and now what we want to do is go around here in the back, and you want to go 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys, so this portion of the build is complete as well. And as you can see, we are moving really quickly. This just shows you guys how easy this is. And basically what you want to do is cover it all up now. So all right, guys, so now that the main part is completed, I'm just going to go ahead and add a button over here and over here. And now what you want to do is take your hoe and the seeds and choose an area that you would like. And also you would require a water bucket. So what you want to do is choose an area that you want as a farm. So I'm just going to choose this area. So you need one side for the farm. And here what you're going to do is place all the beds. So I'm just going to grab a lot of beds and place them over here. So guys, this should do for your first starting. So later on you can actually go ahead and expand it really easily. So that's really up to you guys. And remember, you do not have to use stone. You can use any other block you want. But now we're just going to test it out and I'll show you guys how. So I'm just going to take some villager spawn eggs and it should be the, oh yeah, I forgot. You have to plant these seeds as well. Plant these farms as well. They're not going to plant themselves. All right, guys, so now that I'm going to test it with villagers and voila. Okay, look at this, guys. Now we're just going to have to wait for some time. It usually depends on the time of the day. That's when they start breeding. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys once I see it. All right, guys, so it has been some time, and as you can see, they're finally breeding. And so as you guys can see, guys, this is total proof that it works. So yeah, and that's basically going to conclude my video. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.